Hi, my name is Sainoor, and I've been working in holistic health for a very long time. Recently, I was driving by a synagogue, and there was a message outside which said, Google does not satisfy all searches. Made me smile because it's true, isn't it? I can Google stomachache. It'll tell me why a person might have a stomachache and what a person might be able to do about it. But it will not tell me what my body needs or my spirit needs to deal with that stomachache. This is why I created the course, The Art of Self-Awareness. It begins with tools like the pendulum and cards, and then we work our way through to when we feel more comfortable trusting our own instincts, when we can close our eyes, take a deep breath, and then ask for guidance. I look forward to seeing you at the meet and greet, and we can talk more, and I will answer your questions. Thank you.